How to reset Mitsubishi air conditioner. Resetting your Mitsubishi AC can help clear minor errors, restore normal operation, and refresh the unit when it's unresponsive. Step number 1. Turn off the AC. Press the off button on the remote to turn off the air conditioner. Step number 2. Disconnect power. Unplug the AC from the power outlet or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the unit to fully reset. Restore power. Plug the AC back in, switch on the circuit breaker, turn on the AC, press the on button to turn on the air conditioner. Then your reset will be completed. The AC has been reset and is ready to use. What does a reset do? Clear minor errors codes, reset the control board, restore default setting, help fix unresponsive units, improve performance. Important points to remember is this reset will not delete your timer or schedule setting on most models. If the problem continue, note the error if any and refer to the user manual. Always ensure the power is off before disconnecting. If you have any issue, check if the power supply is stable, clean the air filters. Dirty, dirty filters can cause errors. Make sure the remote has working batteries. If the issues persist, contact Mitsubishi Electric customer support or a qualified technician. Quick tips is if your AC shows an error code after reset, refer to the user manual for code meaning and solution. If you need more help, then tap to the link below and contact your nearest Mitsubishi Electric Service Center. Always remember regular maintenance. Clean filter regularly and service your AC every 6 months to keep it running efficiently and extend its life.